当离别开出花，伸出心肠的枝桠，像风去春又来，等待鲜血融化。你每次离开家，带着远方的牵挂，大城市的繁华开出了月牙。当离别开出花，它生长在悬崖，在最高的山顶才听得见回答。没什么好害怕，孩子放心去飞吧，在你的身后有个等你的家。这是我的回家的云霞，飘去无人知晓的天涯，背着妈妈说的那句话，孩子人生只是个复杂。
曾经有人说过一段话，人的一生中至少要有2次冲动，一次为奋不顾身的爱情，一次为说走就走的旅行。或许因为一个人自由，有些路你得一个人走，这不是孤独，而是一种选择。过年期间环岛一圈，感受各地方的年节气氛，也是一个不错的选择。有人说环岛很远，然而有人徒步，有人骑单车，也有人开车，更有人选择骑摩托车的自由。其实环岛不远，远的是你。
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
有一种相遇不是在路上，而是在心里。这是汤尼的旅途，我是汤尼。
别说